it is written Bongo Sena, Bongo Bhumi Army. Army of Bongo Bhumi. It is written in their identity card. So this is not a joke. And if we think this to be a joke, and if we think that just joining and to be with BJP and RSS is only politics, then we are bringing trouble to ourselves. Now, the incident started on 3rd of May. And since then, riot, killing, murder, rape of women have been going on in Manipur. But we are surprised to see that the Prime Minister also remained silent. He did not speak anything. I am not against the Prime Minister really. I like him because he is practical and he is strong. But I do not know why, although he is very strong, he keeps quiet against raping of innocent women, tribal women, for 2 months. What is this? We cannot understand why it is like this. We have been compelled to think that some people in government of India, in the government in Manipur also are involved in it. Otherwise, without their involvement, this kind of mayhem, riot, killing, rape, murders cannot go on for 2 months without checking, without having been checked. We therefore demand from the government that the government, it is the thing which is going on is, it is a violation of human rights against the rule. They have been against the law. It has been established by the United Nations, and it is against human rights. Moreover, the government has fundamental duties under Article 51A, Part 5A of the Indian Constitution. The government of India and the state government of Manipur or any other, what they should do. It is their duty to protect all citizens of India, whether they are scheduled tribe, whether they are only tribe, whether they are scheduled caste, or whether they are Shudra, whether they are Vaishya, whether they are Kshatriya, whether they are Brahmin, they must be protected. Of course, now we see that the RSS have been doing all these things, all these bad things against the tribal people, even doing toilet on the head of the tribal people, in UP. On the head, just think, not in front, on the head of tribal men. Some MP or MLA of UP, they are passing urine on the head of the men. So this is unthinkable. These are done under the instruction and guidance of the RSS. RSS take their advice, their guidance from Manu Smriti. Manu Smriti is the law of the Indo-Aryan people, written about 2000 years ago, written by Manu, the son of Brahma. In chapter 8, it is said that, it is instructed that the tribal people, that is the Shudra people, because the tribe people are actually not Shudra, because we are, tribe is not a caste, but if we are not tribe, if we are scheduled caste, then we will be under Shudra. as long as we are tribe, we are not under Shudra, not under caste. But according to the RSS people, we are also all in the caste system. Chaturvarna, they call it. Chaturvarna means 4 colors. Varna means color. Chaturvarna, Chatur means 4. Varna means color. This is, we used to have varnishing of furniture. Varna, this is color. Varna, the Chaturvarna system is followed by the RSS people. So according to them, all the tribe people and scheduled caste people, they have no property, they have no son, they have no wife, they have no nothing at all, because all belong to the Brahmin people. It is written there. So on that basis, the government of India is now working. That is the reason why we believe that even the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister of Manipur, and even the Home Minister, and even the Chairman of NEDA did not do anything for 2 months after all this thing has been going on. All this riot, raping, killing has been going on. Now, they are helping the Meitei people. The time will come. They will use other against the Meitei people.
Yes.
We remember it.
Yes.
The Meitei people must know it. Now Meitei people are being used against Kuki. But the time will come. The RSS people will use the Meitei, somebody else, some tribe or somebody else against the Meitei people. They do not like Meitei people also so much. If they like Meitei people, why should their king, Pamheiba, was made Gorib Niwas? He was given the name Gorib Niwas. Pamheiba, the king of Manipur, Kangleipa, the king of Kangleipa. Manipur, the word Manipur is not the name of the state Manipur.
Yes.
Manipur is in Andhra Pradesh. This word is only made by some people, some RSS people. The name Manipur has been given to them. According to writings of Dr. Laisram Sukumar, it is written, he has given the map also. It is written and it is known to all that Manipur is not the name of the present Manipur. The present Manipur is Kangleipa. And the king, the last king was Pamheiba. And Santidas, Goswami Santidas converted him and gave him the name of Gorib Niwas to praise him just like that, without any reason, to make him a fool. And then he was sent to Tirtho. He was sent to Tirtho, and on the way he was murdered in sometime about 1700. And in 1725, in the month of January, all the books of Meitei people were gathered and then burned in front of the palace of the king of Manipur, of Kangleipak at that time. And all the books were burned down. And so Meitei people, many Meitei people forgot. And then another story was given to the Manipuri people, Meitei people. They said they are the descendants of Arjun and Chitrangoda. They said Chitrangoda was the prince of the Manipuri people. And Arjun came along with Pandav, and then he married, and Chitrangoda gave birth. But you know, the story has said that Arjun did not marry her. When he went back, he did not take Chitrangoda along with himself. He was left in the cave, in the forest. And now they said that the children out of that illegal wedlock, And if we say illegal wedlock, illegal biya, the illegal biya hoy, if it is illegal wedlock, then the children are illegitimate. They are bastards. Now they want to tarnish the image of Meitei people to make them as bastards. This is simple. Meiteis are not bastards. They are Mongolian people. They are very strong and good people. They know how to fight. Their sword fighting is very, very good and very fascinating. Now, therefore, be careful. The Meitei people also will be, somebody will use against them by the RSS and Bongo Sena, as it was done long ago. This kind of rape of Manipuri women, against this, by the Indian army, I think, Irom Shormila Chanu fasted for 11 years. Fasted for 11 years. Ningkan crazy an choche pinten protest lo. Irom Shormila Chanu. Kaya lagay Meitei arlo solo. Sita. Kopya po lagay protest atima Meitei arlo so tomhan. Indian army atum pusipu. Repo piti barapiti to apo. Sita hala Irom Shormila election contest dun lo alang lipan perem today. Lapen Irom Shormila Chanu non Manipur do de det lo. Ha South India kat hit lo alang li. La son si Meitei dumanda viji lake. That is why we'll have to we are thinking. See, Irom Shormila Chanu fasted for 11 years against the rape and killing, murder of Manipuri women, Meitei women. For 11 years she fasted. Now, we do not know how the Meitei themselves are raping Kuki women. What is this? It is against the activities, against the fight, against the struggle launched by Irom Shormila Chanu. And not only her, Bina Lakshmi Nepram also has been protesting against the rape and killing of Manipuri women. And she is in New York. She has carried out research, and the book was released in New York in UNO when I was also there. On that day, the book was released on 2018, in April. Now think, all by raping and killing Kuki women in Manipur, all the works that have been done by Bina Lakshmi Nepram and Irom Shormila Chanu has been wasted. This is very sad thing. It should not happen. They are good people. Whatever people or government may count, whatever government may think about Bina Lakshmi Nepram or Irom Shormila Chanu, we praise them because they have been standing against atrocities against the Manipuri people and their women. And now we also stand for the safety and honor and dignity of our Kuki people and their women. Because the same thing has been already done in Karbi Anglong also. But Karbi people are not aware. So we are not able to collect that data and present it to the government. So many women have been raped by security forces in Karbi Anglong also. Karbi women, they have been raped and killed. Some of the families have already been killed and destroyed. So we are all against them. Ilitum non arlengalam pen putupo. Day. Itum With itum ke mite abirudhe le itum ke claim kali. Alang litum apanta RSS Bongo Sena tum si kabewahar lo ki use lo. Alang litum apanta mite itum apanta aka break a tribe itum pan ako used to see mite itum apanta la son thot pisung tuji. Pisung da pisung edlo. Ilitum chini lo banang litum kitab long porhenon. Paro krepli aning kan pen dei paro krepli aning kan malom pen Goswami Santidas atum mite atum pan convert lo halatum man pisum lo lapen ke alang litum aricho pamheba apanta convert si alang lipan churung si alang lipan gorip niwas populo Gorip niwas tuga kidu katung kache pachong adim gorip niwas kache pachong aher niwas tuga her pulo gorip tuga kidu jok ta chinilo amat alang lipan pulo nangge intirong puge hala pamhe ba phan oh nangge intirong pugo Goswami Santidas tu bongalia bamun tu pulo nangge intirong nangge lapir pi det kacari pi neka saur kam politik nang klemo nang ni Nangge hatir thole damnod pu ingkir au nangke pu amatir tho toilo ha balmana tu amatova na beng pikilo amat Manipur are chu obede Manipur tu mare akitab an pangrum amat la Goswami Santidas atu kang leipak along kang leipak puke la ke Manipur lo impala long hala kang leipak a peles putado halada bangke harokre troksi ra inkoi ra po maloman ingkan arkoye siklu kita pangrum edamat Goswami Santidas atau me torpidu torpila apranda mite tu manda chinik etlo non ta aku chinik tuirang ala ilitum pang la potsi ilitum ka chini nang jike ilitum la Kuki atau umpan kacinik ke henopik lo ilu condemn lo kuki la ben awime arlo somar dhaman kacinik itu condemn lo la son thak si karbia dom hanta cenik lo karbia lo au karjang sarpimar dom hanta cenik lo pithi lo do lo setaili tum karbia tum ke ri o ede ka pot select hoye pot arong tin akang bura tum danon arjudan hita jahakenan itu manang tanda tu tek tedati hatum alis silamra ilitum ta pangrum nangji lapen akitab itum da silam dat nangji athema itum karbia tum hanta son taksi akaprek atribe atom pan NC bewaharsi ilitum pan aku na pisung toji ilitum pan na pache bohong kuki pe na pache bohong Mar pe na baju bohong, Dimasa pe na baju bohong, Khasi pe na baju bohong, Ring Managa tu mena baju bohong, Ring Naga Jongjong tu mena baju bohong, Lapen Buru tu mena baju bohong, Adivasi tu mena baju bohong, Lahai hui akam an ke la RSS tum si ke claim lo, Bongo Sena lapen RSS tum si, Lapen governmenta la Chini nak, Chini ason, Chini sita do clip nak, La non le Ciklo John ni po anak kahino claim sita Prime Minister ake hai Narendra Modi ta do joy alang lipan choro lo arni si ingkoy arni body ingkoy ma krisir kep arni parliament lo ke bohong dup lo ang si parliament pen nang barsi parliament ang no alang lipulo non ke action empo buladi hala o arlo sumar bangini atompan ring ang jangpen akahe no claim si ratatum la miteya ratatum pape pon si la pape teklong ang apo alang lila ang si kaninje teklong ang ede ta sonte aku ninje yedet jelang meni non ke alang li panchuro lo alang li claim populo langanang alang li claim ni ma claim klima sita non an ke ilitum teklong lo hala Biren Singh chief minister ta ne drama si claim pu body stay along ne resign po governor pan resign nam po aman Arya Sangho arlo so abang akago papiti dun te dampat pangsekda di lagi drama sing claim bagi hapuge munit kiti hapuge bang munit anu sopan ke re akai no hem megi ke kuson sing claim alang liga drama sing claim dun kacepe klang ke munit atu nepan resign nang ni kusin nang gipu bukan kacepe klang ya pan alang dia prangan tu erlo ne peklang pun nang tiyok ra insek dak nun dei tu pang peklang sing tiet lo lagi drama lagi lasi hala puke buang kuki tu buang gisung lo ke tilo alang liga drama si ke claim lasi ini tum ka demand ke alang lipan pisun bek nang paang hoi pe la pen Manipur ke president rule pincong bek nang de lapen ke ilitum ka demand non disia pan ilitum memorandum submit dampo memorandum ka submit along nitum tok oe ke tok ke lahelo nitum apramen da doklip lo nitum apramen da doklip lo a memorandum ko na ne ako pini ni pita nitum apramen da Karbiang long ba ye doklip lo sita non ke hala ang subang hiniya tom pan aring ang jangpen aring ang jangpen kapere prosesyon along kapaterat hijim meme lake lason ke munit kali lake animal lake John 2 api tum sige claim son ke this is not the act of a human being, this is the act of beast. It is barbaric, it is dirty against the women of Kuki people. So we are going to submit. We have 1.5 pages of our memorandum addressed to Honorable Sri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, submitted by tribes people of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, and the Mahasau, and also organized by APHLC. We are going to submit through the Deputy Commissioner. After this is over, we will go to the Deputy Commissioner and submit it to him, to her. And then on Monday, we will also submit another address to our respected Her Excellency, the President of India, Draupadi Murmu also. And we will send the copy also to the Chief Minister of Manipur, because he must know what we are saying. We are not against the Meitei as such. We are not against any community, but we are against the riot and against the rape and killing of women of the tribal people. Or this kind of thing, not only tribal, it should not be allowed, even whether they are tribal or non-tribal.
Yes.
Yes. So with these few words, I conclude myself. Now I will also shout for unity of all tribe people. I will shout like this. Awas do, I will say, and you should say, Ek ho. Day, nang tum nang pudon ni liga, awas do po nang litum ke Ek ho, pula nang pudon non day. Ayala Ek ho po aboy piding pikping ni. Awas do! Ek ho! Awas do! Ek ho! Awas do! Ek ho! Ako India adet petenang ma putapunang day, petenang po. India adet petenang mo. India adet petenang mo. India adet petenang mo. Great to India. Great to India. Great to India. Great to India. Tribal unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Tribal unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Ako itong puso na Kuki atrocities or against Kuki in Manipur, we condemn. Day, nang itong we condemn po ng puno. Day, tribal atrocities on Kuki and their women, we condemn. We condemn. We condemn. Atrocities against Kuki and their women, we condemn. We condemn. We condemn. Atrocities against Kuki in women in Manipur, we condemn.
We condemn. We condemn.
Atrocities against Kuki and their women in Manipur, we condemn.
We condemn. We condemn.
Thank you.
President speech the May Tumpan Kadurave Tumpan Pampalo, Hanamadi Somar, President Sir J.I. Carter, IAS retired, Tekate Hundor Babi Amak, Sub Kota Bugayadine, Butiga Media, Memorandum of Karnami, Ulaiza, Aru Yaragot, Akwami, last slogan Akwamar, Depend Ropi Damoria Pra, Ako. Amang lead koribot iti ami memorandum samiro kane ami ulai jam.
Slogan mah ekdom tehang khati ramane.
Last slogan.
Coba.
Tribal unity long live!
Long live! Long live!
Tribal unity long live!
Long live! Long live!
Tribal unity long live!
Long live! Long live!
We want justice!
Justice! Justice!
We want justice!
Justice! Justice!
We want President rule!
President rule! President rule!
We want President rule!
President rule! President rule!
We want President rule!
President rule! President rule!
Chief Minister Manipur, go back!
Go back! Go back!
Chief Minister Manipur, go back!
Go back! Go back!
Narendra Modi, go back!
Go back! Go back!
Narendra Modi, go back!
Go back! Go back!
And Biren Singh down, down!
Down! Down! Down! Down!
And Biren Singh down, down!
Down! Down! Down! Down!
We want justice!
Justice! Justice!
We want justice!
Justice! Justice!
We want President rule!
President rule! President rule!
We want President rule!
President rule! President rule!
We want President rule!
President rule! President rule!
We want justice!
Justice! Justice!
We want justice!
Justice! Justice!
No justice, no rest!
No rest! No rest!
No justice, no rest!
No rest! No rest!
And Biren Singh down, down!
Down! Down! Down! Down!
And Biren Singh down, down!
Down! Down! Down! Down!
Manipur CM down, down!
Down! Down! Down! Down!
Manipur CM down, down!
Down! Down! Down! Down!
One Manipur CM down, down!
Down! Down! Down! Down!
Tribal unity long live!
Long live! Long live!
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 Chọc quá. Đây là bạn.